Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DJI OM device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the joystick speed on this device. So as you know, on the DJI OM 5 you have the joystick. Using this joystick you can change the radio of your device, and in this way you can make smooth moves during the recording video. But how we can change the speed of this joystick? So to do it, you need to open the DJI Mimo application. Using this application we can set up our DJI OM 5 device and click on the 3 dots button. Then click on the gimbal, and here find joystick speed and click on it. And you can change it to the fast or to the slow. For example, I want to use fast mode, and now when I'm using the joystick, as you can see, my phone rotating very fast. This mode I can use in active scenes, for example when somebody running or something about it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.